Hello, Kasturians. So, today in science, we are going to continue with the chapter our organ system. In previous video, we have already discussed about the skeletal system in our body. Now, today we are going to continue with the muscular system. So, what is muscular system? The muscular system is basically the system which is made up of our muscles in our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body, and all these muscles are attached to the bones. Functions of muscular system is that the muscular system helps the body to move. That means we can jump, run, hop, skip with the help of muscles. Respiratory system. Respiratory system is made up of the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. The respiratory system helps us to breathe in the air and breathe out the air. How? The air that we breathe in through our nose is taken to the lungs through windpipe. Here the oxygen from the air is taken in and the waste air is taken out from the lungs, which goes to the windpipe and comes out through our nose. This is what we call the inhale and exhale of our air from the nose. Digestive system. Digestive system is made up of the mouth connected with food pipe, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, and then to anus. Now, this system helps to break down the food that we eat. The food is broken down so that our body can use the food and give energy to our body. So this whole process of breaking down the food in our body is called digestion. The digested food gives us energy to study, to work, play, and grow our body. Nervous system. Nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and nerves. As you can see in the picture, the top is the brain in human body. The brain is connected to the spinal cord, which is the very important part in our body, and then to the nerves spread in our body. Now, what does nervous system do? The nervous system controls the body. It helps us to think, to speak, and to remember and memorize our lessons. It also helps us to learn the things. So here, let's check the progress. First point, our skeletal system is made up of 206 bones. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. The air is taken to the lungs through the windpipe. The breaking down of food is called digestion. And the last point, the skeletal system is made up of the framework of bones. Now, let's come to circulatory system. Circulatory system is made up of heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart pumps the blood and the blood vessel carry the blood to the whole part of the body. The circulatory system helps to move the blood around our body. The blood carries important things like the food that we have digested, the oxygen in our body, and it takes the food and oxygen and all the healthy nutrients to our whole body. It also circulates around the body and collects the carbon dioxide and other waste from all the organs. Now what happened to all the waste? Where does it goes? Yes, To the excretory or reproductive system, all the waste is taken out from the body and by the body. The excretory system help us to remove the waste such as sweat and urine from our body. Kidney, skin and lungs are part of excretory system. The kidney helps to remove urine and the skin helps to remove the sweat that we get. And the lungs help to remove the waste gases from the body.